For generations, medical research excluded and even harmed communities of color. As a collective healthcare community, we must rebuild trust so that our medical innovations can equitably serve all in our community. Based at the Hub, Fairview Frontiers is rebuilding trust and breaking down barriers to equity in research.
Here in Fairview Frontiers, we have a very unique opportunity. We have such a great facility here in the Hub, and we are specializing in clinical trials that enroll high numbers of patients, high capacity, and we're enrolling patients throughout the community in studies that are short-term, not terribly acute, but really provide some value to the community.
In partnership with the Center for Community Health Equity, enrollment of BIPOC populations in clinical trials has doubled from 15 to 30%. All of our programs, at their core, started with a concept about how do we serve our community in the most fair and equitable way possible. And that's reflected in the outcomes that the Hub is achieving.